Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Wawa Rewards. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wawarewards.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wawa Rewards homepage. Now from the homepage, if you already have an account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and now you will be taken into the login page. If you have connected your Apple, your Facebook or your Google account, you can click on these options to sign in with a shortcut. Otherwise, just enter your email address that you have used while registering for your account, followed by your account password within the password box. After entering both of these credentials, click on the continue button and now you will be logged in to your Wawa Rewards account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Wawa Rewards. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.